Or you want me to crawl through it? It's all, so the only way I could do it is to set the seat all the way back. I could take this out. Okay. I had to bring the car to the mechanic because this doesn't open and it won't push. So I brought it up here and it's not like the other ones. I'm pushing the button. I'm gonna go to the other side so y'all can see. So see, it won't open. The keys is in the car. It shouldn't be locked. It won't normally lock if the keys is in the car, but see, so that should press this. See how that's doing that? But on this side, when I press the button, so I had to bring it to the shop for them to fix it. Probably gonna cost a little bit, but maybe not. It's gonna be better than me climbing over the seat though. So it is currently 9 o'clock. So we're gonna sit here and wait patiently. So they were not able to open the door. The door is still broke. They said the only way that they could open it is to break this panel or the trim, and the trim is not covered. We are climbing through and we're gonna go home and figure it out ourselves, since this whole place of mechanics couldn't figure out how to do it without breaking it or without charging me, because I have to climb over, without charging me $1,700 to fix this shit. So they weren't very helpful and now I'm stuck and I can't get out. Okay, y'all, so I'm going to call AAA to see if they can come open my door, because I have AAA roadside assistance and I have like regular roadside assistance. Oh, I can put y'all up here. Hold on. Is that gonna work? Yeah. So I'm in the passenger seat, but I'm gonna see if I can get AAA to come out here, since I do pay for them. And see, all I need is somebody to open the door. Sorry, y'all, my hair's sticking up. It's hot out here. I was out here talking to my homeboy, and he rode past and seen me looking all distraught. I guess he felt bad for me. Like, why you looking like that? And y'all, oh my God, I was just so, like, it just be so much going on sometimes, you know, and when you like the person that's putting out all the fires all the time, it's just like, so, I called my landlord about the tree that was down in the back. So I don't have to worry about that. I'm thankful. I just actually ended up reaching out. I was like, you know, because I ain't had nothing to cut it with. So I was like, if I call the tree man, he gonna charge me. But the car dealership, y'all, what in the heck? And the fact that, so the tree, every time I come home, y'all see the tree right here, or where the tree was. So I'm gonna have to just get over that, because I'm gonna just have to get over it. But anyways, I got my AAA stuff right here. I never called them. Oh my God, y'all. So I called AAA to come help me open my door, and he freaking opened it. So freaking amazing. I'm so happy I was able to get that done, y'all. And I'm gonna put a clip into what he did so y'all can see. Y'all, oh my God, I'm sweating because it's hot outside already. But oh my God, he opened my door. Oh, that's, hold on. Just show me.
So like open the door from both sides, right? You're gonna pull the handle inside and pull the handle outside. But
and it just open. Yeah, simultaneously.
Yeah. So once you get that there, it should loosen up this to be able to push it. It's a little stuck now, but I think it's still gonna open.
As long as it's unlocked, that's all.
Yeah, so it'll still open.
Yes. Okay, perfect. Okay, y'all, so we got our door lock. We got our door unlock or open. I'm going to try to see if I can fix, at least take the panel of the car off to see if I can see what's wrong, because I did. So my homeboy was like, ow, y'all, sorry, that's hot. My homeboy was like, $300 is a lot. And it is, but it's not, but it is. And so let me try that for a second. So I'm gonna try to fix the door. I'm gonna try to fix it myself. Or I think I can at least get the panel off, because there's some videos on YouTube. Now, if I can't figure it out, I'm gonna take it to a different shop. I'm not taking it back to Nissan, which I could, but I don't think I am. I don't think they helped me enough. I feel kind of annoyed with them. I'm not gonna even lie. Hold on, y'all. Okay, so when I was watching YouTube, the man said I needed a 10mm ratchet wrench thing. So I have one of those, and I even have an extender if I needed it. I have this. So yes. And then he said I also needed a flathead screwdriver, which I have here. And so we're gonna try to do this. I need a chair though, or do I just want to sit? He said to pop this off. I don't know how to do that. Maybe I need a smaller one. I did it! Hold on. So he said pop that off. So that's off. I put it in the car. And then it's a 10mm screw right here. Okay, that's the 10mm bolt. I know it's dirty, but don't worry about that. So I got my tool. Let's see. Oh shit! Got a bolt. I guess it's 10mm. Let's put that right there. So we don't want it. Okay. I don't know if I'm gonna. I think he said it just pops off. Okay, so he said in the video that he removed this net. So he just pulled on it, but I don't think I can pull on it like that. Let me just try to pop it. Yes, big dog. Big dog. It's just a little tab right here. I hope y'all can see that. And it's on all of them. It's a tab, and then you just get up under the tab. B. Okay. Got it. Put that in. He went here. Can y'all see it? Got it. It's another screw. Let's put that center piece back on there. Figure out where I'll get the actuator from. I should let my window up. So I have 3. These 2 the same, and then this one was on the handle. I need to grab under here, and if I can't get it with my hands, I can use a screwdriver. I wonder if I hope I don't break it. Hold on, y'all. Oh, I think I'm gonna y'all can see. So I'm here. I used my foot. Did y'all see it's my foot? Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. I need a little bit of leverage. Yeah. Y'all, it's coming off of the. So I just pulled this piece out. Oh, this piece is behind this thing right here. But right now I got this. Let me pull this out. Okay. I don't know. That's not broken. Must be this. Maybe it don't look bad. Let's see how to get you off. It's a little. Okay. If I go down. There we go. Oh, it's another one here. Oh, let me see. What did I do? Yeah. Oh, that's the light. Okay, can y'all see me? Okay. I got it. Okay. That should give me the whole board. Yes. Let's see if I can push this light back through here. There we go. Okay. Now it look like we got a whole bunch of bolts. So this is the locking mechanism. That's the actuator, the lock actuator, or something like that. And it's so this is the, I think it's the thing on the inside. So I wonder how many of these I have to take off. Okay, so he was on his video that I'm watching. He went around and took off all of his the pieces that stay in these clips. So I'm gonna do that. It's not many, but he uses this flathead screwdriver, or yeah, screwdriver, and then he just kind of whips them out and they come out. It's two more over here. So y'all probably can't see these. Okay, y'all, so I'm trying to figure out if I'm going to have to take all these bolts off or if I can take just a few of them off just to get like behind this panel. So I did have to, it's a seal on this, so I had to so I'm gonna try to take some more of the screws off. I hope I don't have to take all of them off, but I'm gonna take a few more off and I'm gonna tell you how many I end up taking off. I don't want to even tight. Okay, I'm getting somewhere. I'm gonna try to take this one off. Let's see. Oh, this one. Get behind this thing without opening it, without taking off like all of them. Right here. How do I get that out of there? So I probably will have to take the whole thing. Do I take the whole thing out? Does this come out? This little rubber thing? Oh, it does. Can y'all see that? Bring it a little bit closer. So it's a rubber thing right here on this side. I don't know if I can see it. It's right here. These things look like they're going through it. So I was trying to, okay. I probably should take the whole, let's see. Okay, y'all, I got all of the bolts off. And now I'm about to try to see. Oh shit, y'all, that's the window. Oh fuck. That's no bueno. I don't know if I just messed up or not. I see the window just came down. Now what? Oh, hell no. No. I might just take this picture. Let her see. So the window came down. Oh, it might be that bulb. How about it mess up? Now how am I supposed to get that? Y'all, I think it's these silver ones that I should have left. I'm gonna have to fix